morning, dear sir and ma'am. My name is Ananya. My name is Anuradha. My name is Icha. Today we are performing a model of solar system. The sun had eight family of large heavenly it's called bodies. It's called planets with their satellites. There are total eight planets in our solar system. Are first is Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, and seventh is Uranus, and last one is Neptune. So first is Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and also the closest planet. Hence, it takes least time to take one revolution around the Earth. It is smallest planet in our solar system and it has no any moon. Second, Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and also the hottest planet. It also has no any moon. This is the Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The only planet in the solar system that supports life. Only on the Earth there will be water and air. Fourth is Mars. The Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, also known as red planet because it covered by red rocks and soil. Fifth, Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and it is the largest planet in the solar system. Its rotation is very fastest than very other planets. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and it is the second largest planet in the solar system. Its beautiful rings make it very beautiful. And seven is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, and only in the solar system, Uranus is coldest planet. Last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun, and it is the outermost planet. It has 14 known moons. Thank you.
My name is Yash Dadarokhande. I am from a 7th class. This is my project smoke machine. Smoke machine is also called a fog machine. It is used a concert like entertainment like races and danger movie scene. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Sudhir.
My name is Darshan.
My name is Rohan. And my name is Vaibhav Raut. Today we were represented a model which the name is electric bell. I want to give the opportunity to Rohan to tell us the uses of this model.
The electric bell is made to know a particular time period, and the uses of electric bell in the school, in the college, and industry, etc.
I will say the components of this model. This is the switch, this is the DC motor, and this is the bell, and this is the iron wire and this nut. To give more information, I would like to call Sudhir.
Good morning. My name is Sudhir. Today I explain how this model works. First, we join here a charger. That charger passes electricity through a motor. Here we attach motor, iron wire and nut. When motor rotates, the nut beat a bell and the sound is produced.
Good morning everyone, myself Ranaka. I am from 5th standard. My project name is Chandrayaan 3. First, I give some information about Chandrayaan 3. It is a historic and successful moon mission. It is Indian third moon mission conducted by Indian Space Research Organization means ISRO. It is a launch on 14 July 2023 by Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sri Harikota. On 23 August 2023, India has soft landing on a moon. India got a fourth nation after United Nations, China and Russia. Thank you. Now come to my project. I will see you my project. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Aryan. Today I am telling about rotation and revolution. The moment of Earth revolves around the Sun.
the movement of the earth spinning on its axis. It takes 24 hours to one rotation. It rotates west to east while rotation its axis. The earth also revolves around the sun. This movement is called revolution. Thank you.
This is my project of working model of automatic water dispenser. So first I will show you how it works. So when I put here glass, the water automatically came. I put up its why? So these are the blades of iron. That blades are made by iron that shows that iron is a good conductor of electricity. So here when we touch that iron to that next iron blade, here are the wires of that iron blade that connects to battery to motor. Then battery gives electricity to motor. Then it works like this. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Praniti Pradeep Kale.
And my name is Arannaja Thakur.
We are in a 4th standard. Today we have project name is the states of matter. First solid, second liquid and third gases. Solid.
Solid have fixed shape and fixed volume.
For example, box, pen and bike. Liquid have a no fixed shape.
For example, milk and water.
Gases have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. For example, air, balloon air and cooking gas. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Praniti Rahul. I am from 3rd standard. My project name is verb and adverb. Verb. A verb is an action word and something you can do. There are past, present, past participle, present participle. Example is go, went, gone, going. Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Shivanya. My name is Trisha. Our project name is water cycle. First is evaporation. Heat of the sun causes evaporation of water like rivers, lakes and oceans. Second is condensation. Water vapor evaporates from water body in the air. It condenses and changes into tiny droplets and then clouds are formed. Third is precipitation. When these droplets become so heavy and then they come back to the earth in form of rain. Fourth is accumulation. Water fall back on the earth. It gets collected in the oceans, lakes or river or under the ground. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Renuka Shailendra Marmat. My name is Vedika Vishwanath Barge. We are from class 6. Our project name is solar water pump. So, when lights fall on the solar panel, the water gets come automatically outside from deep well. This project helps to take water from deep well easily. This project is help to run water irrigation without help of any electricity and human power. Thank you.
हे सगळं बॅड आहे. नाही.
पिझ्झा की नाही आवडते?
काय नाव तुझं?
पायल.
Good morning, myself Chaitali Sheke. Myself Purva Sukode. We are the student of class 8. Here we are explaining the concept of physics, that is Bernoulli's principle. But what is Bernoulli's principle, do you know? Yes, but little bit. In a steady flow of fluid, when the pressure of fluid increases, then velocity of fluid decreases. Now it's time to experiment. Here, from this side there is a high pressure, and from this side there is a low pressure. Because of low pressure, balls falls down. What is gravity? What about gravity? That high speed is balancing the gravity. At last, thank you. We hope you like our experiment.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aryan Sachin Chavan. Today is third standard. My project name is Friday. बैंडेज उधर बैंडेज लगानी. सबसे पहले सीजर से उसको काट देना, फिर सीजर बैंडेज लगाना, फिर जाना, फिर डॉक्टर के पास जाना. थैंक यू.
Good morning, myself Shraddha Wahak.
Myself Shreyana Lavde. Today we are doing the experiment of ENO and water.
In this, we will learn how to make CO2 and what is endothermic reaction.
The required things are glass, ENO, gloves, food color and 50 ml water. First I will add 50 ml water in glass, then few drop of food color. Now I will add ENO in gloves.
Now you can see the gloves is infilled because of CO2. Because of CO2, if you touch this glass, it feels cold, not very warm, because there is no use of fire and all things. And in this, have citric acid. Because of that, it can't get more harmful for use. Thank you.
Body parts.
body parts. Ears,
हाँ
tongue, eyes, nose, hands.
बोलो किस बोलो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के नेम बोलो
Lion, tiger, elephant, zebra, hippo, deer. Thank you. My name is Karti Gajanand. I'm studying nursery class and project name is Sensor Gun.
यहाँ से स्टार्ट करो
See with see with look, smell with our ears, smell with our skin, smell with our skin. Thank you. My name is Abdul.
बोलो कलर्स के नेम बोलो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करो जोर से
My name is Vivan Jadhav.
काय बनवलं
Source of water. Source of water. My name is Arya Saurabhante. For gardening, for cooking, for drinking, for bathing, for agriculture, for bathing, for brushing. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Myra. School name is SS English School. And school project name is City and Village. Building, scooter, tree, scooter, four-wheeler. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. My name is Naira. I am from senior KG class. Today we are science exhibition. My project name is National Things. Our national flag is Tiranga. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Our national game is hockey. Our national song is Vande Mataram. Our national emblem is Satyam Jayate. Our national animal is tiger. Our national bird is peacock. Our national flower is lotus. Our national fruit is mango. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Kaushal. My project name is types of house, horn, tent house, apartment, My name is Pushpa Kakarwal. I am studying senior KG class. Business project, city animals, a building, road, car, house, car, animals. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Vinay.
My name is Harshit.
Today we are showing you the working model of giant wheel. It is working on a gear motor with the help of battery. It is made of ice cream stick and it is made of circular shape. Now he will show how does it work. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarthak. Welcome to our science exhibition. Today I am telling you working model of wind power generation. This wind are generate electricity. All the blades of wind rotate in clockwise direction. We move the fan, the light energy produced, and this light energy can be flow the house and street light. Thank you.
Thank you for visiting our project.
लाइट आया कहाँ से?
Good morning, sir. My name is Shaitali Vinodarki. I am in 6th standard. Our project name is Igloo. A house is a basic need. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain. The Eskimos live in houses called an igloo. Igloos are made of ice. It is also called snow house. It is dome shaped. It has no door window, but there is a hole to go inside. Inside, Eskimos build their igloos during the winter season. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shailaja Ajarat. I study in first standard. Today I am tell you that of the week Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Omkishore Rathod.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayush Singh Shekhawat.
Today will be helping ups.
Is
And
are
watch,
where
do,
did
does,
can
have,
has
had,
will used to. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Farid Nitin Bhute. Welcome to our science exhibition. I am studying in 2nd class. My project name is Types of the Transport. We need to move from one place to another for different purpose. This is known as means of transport. For this we use certain vehicles. These vehicles are called means of transport. There are 3 types of transport like land transport, water transport and air transport. First is land transport. All the vehicles are used to move on land are called land transport. Example, car, JCB, truck, etc. Second is water transport. Water transport is content mode of traveling. Example, ship, boat, etc. Third is air transport. Air transport is fastest means of transport like aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, etc. So these are types of the transport. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Viraj. This is a model of plant. This is stem, this is root, this is fruit, this is bud, this is leaves, and this is flower. We can see everyone. We can see plant everywhere on the earth. On the earth, the plants produce food and pure air. Plants release oxygen and plants get carbon dioxide. Big plants are called trees. Thank you. Good morning. This is the earth layer. This is the inner core. This is the outer core, and this is the mantle. This is the crust. Crust is the coolest part of the earth. Mantle is the made up of the rocks and iron. The outer core is the outside of the earth, and inner core is the inside of earth. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sanskruti Maruti Suryavanshi. Today I am telling about measurement of capacity. The amount that a container can hold is called its capacity. We had earlier used cups and glasses to measure capacity. But if the glasses used by two people are of different sizes, we measure liquids in liters. Big capacity is measured in liters. Very small capacity is measured in milliliters. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Reha Daunatal. I study in second standard. Today I am going to show you that model of rainwater harvesting. Water harvesting means collecting water, filtering and used for many purposes. It is one of the method of saving water. It travel wastage of water. Next I tell you rainwater falling from the clouds. We collecting water in rough tub, then water goes to the filtration tank. Filtration tank and choppers, gravel and sand. The rainwater have dust and pollution, so you have to filter it. After you filter the water goes to the storage tank. We can use this water for many purposes like washing clothes, watering plants and washing cars. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Riyansh. Today I am tell about parts of computer. A computer is any electronic device. It makes our work easy. Parts of computer. First, monitor. A monitor looks like a television. Second, CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It also called brain of a computer. Third, keyboard. A keyboard is a device through which information writing into the computer. Mouse is a pointing device. Speaker are used to listening to the music stored into the computer. Thank you.
Saradha Raghupat Side. Good morning everyone. My name is Saradha Raghupat Side. I am from second class. Scanner. It helps you to convert our documents or picture in electronic form. It scans the document and stores it into the computer. Speakers are used to listen to the music stored into computer. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Shreyas. I study in first standard. My project name is project is solar system. The 9 planet solar system. Mercury, the smallest and coolest plants. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Shruth.
My name is Ayush.
We are from 4th standard.
Our project name is wind turbine.
Here, wind is used to generate electricity. So now we will show you how it works. The energy of wind is called
Wind energy. Wind moves the blade of a windmill, which in turn moves machine. It's called turbines that are used to generate electricity. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sarvadna Sagar Kale. I am a student of first standard. My project name is domestic animal and their shelter. I am given information about domestic animal and their shelter. This is share, cow lives in share. This is pet, goat lives in pen. This is canal. Duck losing canal. This is table. Horse losing stable. This is coop. Hen losing coop. This is pond. Duck losing pond. This is cat tree. Cat living cat tree. That's how I project show you domestic animal and the shelter. Thank you. Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Vedika. My name is Kavya. Today we are telling you information about some body systems. Circulatory system. Circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. Muscular system. Muscular system consists the fleshy part under our skin is made up of muscles. This is a rib cage and this is a lungs. This is a heart. This is a respiratory system. This is a skull. This is a brain and this is a bladder and urethra.
Good morning, sir. My name is Omkar. My project name is a dancing robot. It is like a computer. It is a machine. It is do work hard easily. It is difficult work easily. See this. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shlok Abultopre. I am studying first standard. My project name is Computer Project. First, CPU connect top auditor. Second, a keyboard has many buttons. Third, mouse and screen. Thank you. Hello, my name is Virat. We make a model of Ayodhya Ram Mandir, a magnificent temple in India. The Ayodhya Ram Mandir is dedicated to Lord Rama. The site where the Ayodhya Ram Mandir stands has been a point of dedication between Hindus and Muslims. Thank you. My name is Sharat.
My name is Shlok.
This is the model of Mahakumbh Mela. The Mela which is celebrated after 4 years, it is called Kumbh Mela. The Mela which is celebrated after 6 years, it is called Ardha Kumbh Mela. The Mela which is celebrated after 12 years, it is called Purna Kumbh Mela. And the Mela which is biggest, and it is called Mahakumbh Mela, and it is celebrated after 144 years. Because of the curse of Durvasa Rishi, all the gods have lost their powers. So all the gods came to Lord Vishnu and said about the curse of Durvasa Rishi. Then Lord Vishnu said that if you have to come out of that curse, you have to do Samudra Manthan. And then the great Samudra Manthan started. The god cannot do it by own, so expecting of Amrit, demons also do that Samudra Manthan. Therefore, the great Samudra Manthan started. Samudra Manthan was lasted 2,000 years, and then Amrit was came out of the Samudra Manthan. Then for Amrit, both started for fighting, and after that, Lord Vishnu's Vahan Garud come and take that Amrit. And when he was when he was taking that Amrit, 4 drops of Amrit fall at 4 places. These places were Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. Thank you.
Do you know what makes the Mahakumbh Mela special? It makes special because of spiritual significance. World's largest peaceful, rich in knowledge, and once in a lifetime. Do you know what happens in a Mahakumbh Mela? In Mahakumbh Mela, Shahi Snan, Pershwai, and the rituals of Naga Sadhu.
माझे नाव आयुष हरिदास सरडकर आहे. मी 6वी कक्षात आहे. हे एक एसी कूलर आहे. हे मॉल्स, हॉटेल्स आणि सॅलॉन्स मध्ये एक यूज होतं. हे एसी कूलर यूज होतं. 18 डिग्री सेल्सिअसची ही थंडी हवा बाहेर फेकतं. हे कनेक्शन लूज आहे इथं. इथं हे फॅन ऑन झालं नाही, इथं हे थंडी हवा फेकतं. हे इथं कनेक्शन हे तुटलं इथं.
My name is Varat Putana. I study in 7th standard. My project name is Automated Cloth Retriever. When there is storm or wind or rain, we need to rush to remove cloths from the cloth line. There is no need of that. We just need to click on a button, which will bring the clothes in the shade. And my second project home security system. When everybody sleep in the night, we need to stay alert or spend money on expensive home security system. There is no need on that. Then intruders will try to come in our house. It will alert the residents. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Devik Rajesh Wade.
Good morning everyone. My name is Harsha Sandipane.
We are from 3rd standard. Our project name is transport.
There are 3 types of transport. Water transport, land transport, air transport. Land transport is the transport that run on the road. For example, bus, car, train, and etc.
Water transport. Water transport is a transport which are run on water. For example, boat, ship, and steamer, etc. Air transport. Air transport is a transport which are run on air. For example, aeroplane, helicopter, etc. Thank you. Good morning ma'am. My name is Rudra Lakshmikant Pandey.
And my name is Divyan Suthar Kanayalal.
And I study in 5th standard. And this model is hydropower plant. Hydropower plant is used farming, and this tank is water tank and throw water and water support in water force in between this and light source energy. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Varat. I am from 7th standard. My project name is wireless power transfer. It transfers electricity through electromagnetic field. When the current flows through the transmitter coil, it creates electromagnetic field like this. As you can see, when I on the switch and the transmitter coil contract in this electromagnetic field, it glow up without any connection. It is used in electric vehicles to charge it. It is also used in smartphones to charge it, where the phone is placed on the charging pad, and it is also used in medical impacts. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anvi. Today I have tell you information about types of house. This is a hut house. A hut house is a kacha house. A hut house is a small house with only one or 2 rooms. This is a pakka house. We need to live in pakka house, and they are bricks and cement. This is a tent. The tent is a temporary house. The tent is a canvas or nylon. This is a igloo. An igloo is a type of house. It looks like a dome. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Mugdha. My name is Sarah. Today we are explaining you the brain function. This is brain. The brain controls and coordinates all our action. It receives information from all parts. It takes decisions and send message. It also helps us to think and memories. It helps us to. It has 3 all parts. First, cerebrum and medulla. Cerebellum. Cerebellum is a dome-shaped structure which lies below cerebellum. Cerebellum Cerebellum. Cerebellum is the situated behind the back of the head. Medulla. Medulla is the blob-shaped structure which lies below. Thank you. This is Kavya Kishore. I am from 6th standard. My project name is solar eclipse. A solar eclipse takes place when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. In a like.
Good morning, sir. My name is Prince. My name is Sumit. My name is Parth. Sumit, tell us materials. Materials: ice cream stick, glue, and cardboard and scissor. And the procedure: mesh the sticks with all cardboards and ready the giant wheel. It is rectangular shape. Conclusion: the ice cream stick giant wheel is a fun and creative project that enhances craftsmanship and structural understanding. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yashraj. My name is Viraj. My name is Ganvi.
My name is Muni Sharma.
Welcome to our science exhibition. This is our project working model of construction site. A construction site is a designated area of land where construction work was taken, and construction work include heavy machineries, workers, and materials. This is construction site. This is construction site. I am tried to a very nice full is lift. This is place for workers. This is lift. Lift is used for heavy material to travel place to another place. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Jai Sheikh. My project name is Volcano. Volcano is a very dangerous. My friend name is Harshad Manoj Chavan.
There are 150 volcanoes in the world. 50 to 70 volcanoes blast in 1 year. Thank you.
For example,
Good morning. My name is Srinidhi. My name is Durva. We are from 5th standard. Today we are with a project called rainwater harvesting. The benefit of this method are we don't depend needed water, reduce soil erosion, and now my friend Durva explain the process. The rainwater store on the terrace, the water supplying to make filter. It can also use for drinking. The water perfectly filtered to make it. Thank you.
this is a smart city, and this is a street. This is a street light, and this is a helicopter. That where is a very powered.
My name is Shreya Sangre. I am from 5th standard. Today I am presenting about part of speech. First is noun. Noun is the name of place, person, or animal. Thank you.
everyone and all present over here. A warm welcome from all of us. My name is Anushka. My name is Shweta.
My name is Kalpita.
My name is Preeti.
We are from class 7 presenting the working model of heart on this auspicious occasion of science exhibition.
Basically, what is heart?
Heart is a muscular hollow organ present in the chest cavity in between two lungs with its lower conical end slightly tilted towards the left. And do you know the function of the heart?
Yes, I know its function is to pump blood to the all parts of the body. And do you know our heart size about the of our fist and its work non-stop from the starting of the life in mother womb to the end of life, that is death.
Now we will show you the pumping of the heart.
This is all about external part of heart. Do you know about internal?
This is about external part of heart. Do you know about internal parts of heart?
Yeah, the human heart has two sets of pumping chambers which work together as a team. Both the sides are made up of special type of muscles called cardiac muscles.
That separation is called septum.
Now we will show you about the working of the heart. The right side of the heart receives blood rich in carbon dioxide and sends it to the lungs for oxygenation through pulmonary artery.
The left side of the heart receives blood rich in lungs through pulmonary vein and sent into rest body of the part.
This contraction and relaxation of different chambers produce the heartbeat, and we can hear the heartbeat directly by using an instrument called stethoscope. This is all about heart. Thank you so much for visiting our project.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kirti. I am from 6th standard. My project name is school. My school name is SS English School. My school having 100 students and 20 teachers. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Priyan. My name is Shreyan. My name is Abhinit. My name is Ranuraj. We are from 3rd standard. The sun is the star and lies in the center of the solar system. It is the massive ball of burning gases. Planet. There are total 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Planets move around the sun in the fixed path called orbit. Planets do not have their own light, they reflect the light of the sun. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. It is the only planet in the solar system that have life. In land, water and air to support life. The Earth, it is at the right distance from the sun. The sun, hot and nor cold, the planets and animals should live. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Ishwari Santosh Atare. I am studying in 1st standard. My project name is Good Habits. Good habits are behaviors that can help you feel rest and energetic. Sleep. Getting sleep help you feel rest and energetic. Keep improve your memory and mood. Eat healthy. Eating neat food can help you have more energy. Exercise. Regular exercise can help keep your heart healthy, boost muscles and stretch bones. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Anvya Kalkar. I am telling you cells of organs. This is the ear, cells of listen. This is the tongue, cells of taste. This is the eyes, cells of see. This is the nose, cells of smell. This is the skin, cells of touch. Thank you. Good morning sir and ma'am. Our project name is types of energy. Gravitational energy. Gravitational energy is the energy that stores objects due to height above the earth is called the gravitational energy. Sound energy. Sound energy is the type of kinetic energy that creates a substance vibrate. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy stored as a result of applying a force from an elastic object. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy that creates
the bond of atoms and molecules.
Light energy. Light energy is a type of energy that travel as waves and on the sun by human eyes. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is energy that create when electronic move from one place to another. Thermal energy. Thermal energy is the energy substance due to the movement of its particles. Radiant energy. Radiant energy is the energy that is travel in ways like heat from reaching the sun.
Good morning. My name is Astha. I am from 6th standard and my model name is Kedarnath Temple. Kedarnath Temple is located in Rudraprayag district in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. It is one of the most important pilgrimage sites in India. Kedarnath is a part of the Char Dham Yatra. It is also known as Shiv Lok on the earth. It is surrounded with the snow-capped mountain and forest. It has a Garbhagruha for worship, a conical formation rock for worship as Lord Shiva. Thank you.
A robot is an automated machine which has little or no human interventions. Robot is used as it can make our work easy, or as we want the work it can do.
Here you can see we have successfully navigated our working model. We have worked on its programming, electronics and teamwork. We would like to thank our school organization, teachers and principal for giving us guidance and support. If you like our project, please review here. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, माय नेम इज प्रज्वल शिवानंद महालिंगे. मैं आपको आउटडोर गेम बताने वाला हूँ, जैसे कि क्रिकेट, लूडो, हाँ, जैसे कि फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, थैंक यू एक्सेट्रा.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, माय नेम इज संस्कार प्रदीप कंगले. मैं आपको इंडोर गेम बताने वाला हूँ जो घर पे खेले जाते हैं, जैसे कि लूडो, चेस, कैरम, थैंक यू एक्सेट्रा. Good morning everyone, my name is Swaraj. Today I am telling you information about means of mass communication. Means of mass communication are used to send information to a large people of at same time. Newspaper and magazine. We come know about current events. Radio, news and message important to radio through and news. This is the email. Email is also send message using email. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Suraj Praveen Murray. My project name is Means of Transport, Land Transport, the movement of people, goods and service on land. This include road and rail transport. Water transport, the movement of people, goods and watercraft such as boat, ship and fleet. Third, air transport, the fastest allows people goods to destination quickly. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Ashik Sachin Tamokar. I am student of 1st standard. My project name is First Aid Box. This is a bandage, this is a cotton bandage, this is a body lotion, this is a Dettol, this is a tablet, this is a thermometer, this is a scissor, this is a cream. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Raj Nandini. Solid. A solid has a definite shape, a solid has a definite mass, a solid has a definite volume.
A solid will always the take and same look and same amount of space. Some example of solid: apple, book, key, etc. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Akshata Shankar Nikam. My name is Arya Thure. We are from class 6. Our topic name is Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a technology that allows machine to learn, think and act like humans. Artificial intelligence is used in various fields. For example, education, healthcare, business and travel industry. Some examples of artificial intelligence are robot, chatbot, computer. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sir. We are the student of 4th class. Today we do a project of simple machine show. My name is Bhagdesh Jagdish Gadekar.
My name is Arohi Sandeep Sononi.
So now I say about lever and pulley. The lever is a type of simple machine and it move a heavy object. For example, seesaw, bottle opener, etc. Thank you. Pulley. A pulley is a type of simple machine and it groove in it. For example, wheel and flagpole.
So I tell about wedge. Wedge is a simple machine. They are one and two object join. For example, eggs, knife and chips. Screw. Screw is a special kind of the inclined plane. For example, screw. Thank you. Inclined plane. Inclined plane is a flat surface which end point is higher than the other. Example of inclined plane are slide and ramps. Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle is another simple machine. Example of wheel and axle are wheel and fishing rod. थैंक यू. सुप्रभात. मेरा नाम ऋषि राजेंद्र चौधरी है. मेरा नाम सुलक्ष्मी गणेश जंगम है. हम 5वीं कक्षा के छात्र हैं. आज हम आपको सर्वनाम के बारे में बताने वाले हैं. सर्वनाम के 6 रूप होते हैं. पहला पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम, दूसरा निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, तीसरा अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, चौथा संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम, छठवा अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, छठवा प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम. पहला पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम. पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम में पुरुष का उत्पादन होता है, जैसे मैं, तुम, वह इत्यादि. दूसरा प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम. प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम में प्रश्न उत्पन्न होता है, जैसे तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, गमले में कुछ है. तीसरा निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम में निश्चय होता है कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं, जैसे कि पास, दूर, वह इत्यादि. चौथा अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम में कोई भी चीज निश्चय नहीं होती है, जैसे कि गमले में कुछ है, मैं कुछ फल लाई हूँ. पांचवा निजवाचक सर्वनाम. निजवाचक सर्वनाम में अपना काम स्वयं करना पड़ता है, जैसे कि तुम अपने आप घर चले जा सकते हो, मैं अपना कार्य स्वयं किया हूँ. उसके बाद छठवां सर्वनाम प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम. प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम में प्रश्न होता है हर एक बात का, जैसे कि तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, गमले में कुछ है, तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो. धन्यवाद. Good morning everyone. My name is Priyanshu. I am studying in 3rd standard. Today we tell about volcano. Volcano is a hole in the earth's surface. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Fred. I am for 1st standard class. My project name is Our Helper. There are many people in our society who help us in different ways. Let's see about a doctor treats us when we are ill. A policeman keeps us from robbers and thieves. A teacher teaches us. A watchman guards our houses. A postman brings our letter. A farmer grows crops so that we may get food. A traffic police controls the traffic. A sweeper sweeps the road. And a doctor treats us when we are ill. Thank you.
morning everyone. My name is Avni and this is my friend Rajnandani. We are from 7th standard. Today we are explaining ATM machine. How does it work?
Here is our ATM machine. We will tell you how does it works. First of all, we put the coin here, and then you have it first machine.
How does the coin came outside the machine?
We will put the value of putted coin, and then we put the coin in the ATM machine, and the coin will came out. Coin is came out from the ATM machine. Thank you.
Good morning. Welcome to our science exhibition. Myself Vaishnavi. She is my friend. My name is Sonakshi. We are from class 7. Our project name is eco farming. What do you mean by eco farming, Vaishnavi? Meaning of eco farming is an act of farming without using of toxic material or harm the soil in any way. Sonakshi, what is the other name of eco farming? Eco farming, also known as organic eco farming, biological eco farming, natural eco farming, etc. What is the eco full form? Eco full form is an economic cooperating organization. In social science, it's mean economic, ecological, and in geography, it means ecologic. Thank you. Thank you.